Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I am super excited to bring you my mantle and Christmas tree reveal. The mantle that I did for fall was a little bit controversial, so we'll see if this one is or not. People usually either love or hate my style, so we'll see how this one fares. So I'm actually putting some greenery on my mantle, and one of the things that I did, you can see that the middle is tucked up underneath the mantle. I simply screwed a cup hook into the top, which would actually be on the bottom of the mantle, to hook these onto, and makes it so much easier to hang them. The garland of the red and white ornament balls came together, and they are actually from Hobby Lobby, and they were a great price since they were 50% off. If you watch my bow tutorial, you will be able to see how I do these bows. So you definitely need to make sure you go back and watch that. These are the bows that are on my Christmas tree. And so I'm doing 3 of the loopy bows and 2 of the messy bows. And you're gonna see I have the loopy bows where they are attached to my mantle. And then I just put 2 of the messy bows in between each one of those. I use pipe cleaners to adhere them to my garland. Next, you're gonna see me put these 3, I don't know what you call them, baubles, I don't know. They're just my favorite things to decorate with. And my mother-in-law actually got them from QVC. They light up and they're absolutely beautiful. And they go perfect with my new Christmas colors for the year. So I'm gonna walk you through everything that you see here and show you where everything came from. And this is the loopy bow. This is the bow that I put on the tree. This is a close-up of the garland and the messy bow. So you're gonna see here, right here, you can't even see the cup hook even when the bow is not on the garland. These little houses are actually on my website because we did them. The little nutcracker was adorable. The layered tree we made online, and actually that Merry Christmas sign with the deer we found at Price Chopper. Here's my tree. That little house is adorable, and it actually came from Hobby Lobby. Check it out, you guys. These bows totally make the tree go from boring to amazing. Here's a close-up again of the bow that you definitely need to do, and these stars are absolutely adorable as well. Here is the layered tree that we actually have as a kit in my shop that you can do together. Here's another shot of the little house that we've done. And check out some of my favorite ornaments. These glass ornaments that you're gonna see are from Hobby Lobby, and they are the new Robert Stanley line. This little snowflake you get at Walmart, and these little curly cues came from Walmart as well. Again, another Robert Stanley adorable ornament, as well as this yummy treat. So here is another look at my tree. I hope this gives you some inspiration, and check out that topper, you guys. Amazon. It is a light projector in between the 2 snowflake toppers, and it projects snowflakes onto the ceiling. It's super fun. Kids love it, and I'm not gonna lie, I love it. You guys, I am so happy with the tree. This is the tree of my little girl dreams, and I am just thrilled with how my tree and my mantle turned out. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to create some things of your own, or just bring a little bit more life to your decorations this holiday season. If you love this DIY and enjoy all things home decor related, please visit theruffleddaisy.org and make sure you follow me on all the social media channels.